Chefman Electric Kettle, the perfect blend of speed, safety, and style. This 1.8L 1500W powerhouse boils water in just 3 minutes. Ideal for your morning tea, coffee, or any hot beverage, it ensures you get your hot water swiftly and efficiently. The rapid boiling feature is a real time saver, making it an essential kitchen companion for busy mornings and relaxing evenings alike. Safety is a top priority with the Chefman Electric Kettle. It comes equipped with automatic shutoff and boil dry protection, providing peace of mind with every use. No more worrying about forgetting to turn off the kettle. It takes care of that for you. This feature is particularly useful if you have a busy household, ensuring safe and worry-free operation every time. Convenience meets elegance with the cordless design and blue LED indicator lights. The cordless base allows you to easily move the kettle for hassle-free serving, while the LED lights add a touch of modern sophistication. The lights not only look great but also indicate when the water is heating and turn off once it's boiled, giving you clear visibility of the process. The Chefman Electric Kettle is designed with user-friendly features like the lift-out lid for easy filling and cleaning. The stainless steel filter ensures a clean pour, and the cool touch handle provides a safe grip. With its sleek borosilicate glass body and stainless steel accents, this kettle is a stylish addition to any kitchen. Plus, it's CETL approved with advanced safety technology and comes with a 1-year assurance from Chefman, guaranteeing long-lasting durability and reliable performance. Upgrade your kitchen with the Chefman Electric Kettle. Fast, safe, and stylish. It's the ultimate electric kettle for modern households. Don't miss out on this essential appliance. Click the link below to get yours today.